Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll learn English through a simple conversation on a rainy day. Let's listen, read along, and practice speaking together.
Good morning, John.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
I'm good. The weather is so nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's wonderful. I love the cool breeze after the rain.
Me too. Rainy days are my favorite.
Really, mine too. I enjoy the sound of raindrops. It's so relaxing.
Oh, yes. The sound of rain is like music to me.
Do you also like the smell of wet soil after the rain?
Absolutely. It feels so fresh and calming.
Yesterday evening, I sat near my window with a cup of tea and watched the rain. It was perfect.
That sounds lovely. I also made some hot coffee and just enjoyed watching the rain fall.
Rainy weather makes me want to read books.
Same here. I like to read or sometimes just sit quietly and look outside.
Do you also enjoy walking in the rain?
Yes, but only with an umbrella. Without it, I get too wet.
True. But sometimes I don't mind getting a little wet. It reminds me of childhood.
That's so sweet. When I was a child, I used to make paper boats and float them in the rainwater.
I did the same. I still remember racing my paper boats with friends.
Rain brings back so many good memories.
Yes. And it makes the garden so green and fresh. Look at the plants. They look happy.
You're right. Rain is a blessing for nature.
Exactly. And the best part is, the air feels cleaner after rain.
I agree. Everything feels new and peaceful.
Emma, do you like heavy rains or just light showers?
I like light showers. Heavy rain makes it hard to go out.
Same here. Light rain is perfect for enjoying at home.
Yes, with tea, coffee, and maybe some snacks.
That's the best rainy day plan.
So true, I hope it rains again tonight.
Me too. Let's see what the weather brings.
All right, John. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks, Emma. Enjoy your day.